again, where our focus is still in the qualitative data. The last way of presenting qualitative data is making use of pie charts or pie graphs. This pie graph or a pie chart is a graphical device for presenting data summarized based on subdivision of a circle into sectors. That is, a sector is a part of a circle which is it has its area, but it's only one cut. Imagine cutting a cake. So that's a sector that correspond to the percentages of each category. So pretty much a pie graph is mostly used in percentages because it will give us a whole a whole a whole pie, shall we say. So it's better to use percentages there. A circle divided into sectors. In each sector represents a category of data. The area of a sector is proportional to the frequency of the category, or it could be the relative frequency as well. So we're gonna make use of the 18 years of age and older in 2006. This data, before we have a 1990 data. So we're going to focus ourselves into the 2006, and we're expecting to get this kind of chart. Okay. Again, sadly, Jamovi cannot create a pie chart. It's not part of its setting to create a pie. Not only 2006. And we click on insert. Again, the first step is highlight them. Click on insert. And we want to click on the pies here. It's named pie. And simply click the first 2D image. And what you have is the pie chart. Obviously, we don't have the labels yet, but I think we can produce the labels. In Excel, it makes our lives easier. Try to look at the chart design. You can see a lot of chart design over here. Yeah, what chart design would you like? Would you like this? Has the percentage, it has numbers. Of course, you just need to label. Number one is never married. Number two is married. Just change the labeling. What do you want? Do you want this or whatever? Okay, it depends on what you need. Excel makes our lives easier, and I won't be doing it manually already because it's here in Excel anyways. So it's pretty much the same thing as what we want to produce. Okay, so that's it for this video. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope you have learned something in how to create a pie chart. So see you in the next video, and we're going to discuss. I'm going to give you an exercise. Thank you very much.